Huawei MateBook 14 bad system laptop, some sharp edges and fairly stiff hinges, average inputs, glossy screen but without touch on the Ryzen 5 model, impractical webcam and mics, runs very hot in CPU heavy loads and rather unbalanced configuration. Huawei released MateBook D14 and D15, two notebook products, last month, equipped with AMD R5450U and R7470U processors, and will go on sale on August 6. At present, the high-end MateBook 1314 has not yet been released in a Ryzen version. The laptop Huawei MateBook 14 shortage of processors such as R7480H seems to be more serious, and May companies have been facing stock problems. Lenovo's Ryzen Gamebook R7000P is another popular laptop that's been hard to find due to stock issues. Huawei nailed the design and construction for this price segment, put in a fairly capable cooling solution, a large battery, and decent I/O. At the same time, the inputs and audio could be improved. Primarily interested in this for the Ryzen H hardware, you should be aware that this sort of implementation runs very hot with demanding CPU loads and is rather unbalanced for combined loads.